Hello, in today's lesson, we will discuss the appropriate board thickness for Tanjore painting. It is advisable to use a waterproof plywood board. A board thickness of 5 to 10 mm is required for Tanjore painting. If the muck work is not heavy, then you can use a board thickness of 5 mm to 6 mm. This board is 5 mm thick and suitable for simple muck work. For heavier muck work, such as 3D projects, a 10 mm thickness is recommended. Sometimes, when applying 4 layers of muck work, an 8 mm thickness should be used. Avoid using boards that are less than 5 mm thick. A board with a thickness of 3 mm is quite thin and may bend with muck work. Therefore, it is recommended to avoid using thin boards for tasks that require durability. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more updates from my channel.